Hey everyone, what's up? Jen right now is out traveling for work. That's why I am the only one here, but I wanted to make sure that I made a video for you guys because I just think you're so special. But anyway, as you know, Jen and I just recently got back from a trip to Sedona, Arizona. Now we only had 2.5 days there. And some of you were thinking to yourself, wow, Preston, like, I don't have a lot of time, but I'm planning on visiting Sedona. How do I optimize my time there? I got 6 things that you need to consider doing when visiting Sedona that I think will optimize your time. This list is in no particular order from best to worst or worst to best. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Hold on guys, hold on one second. I actually want to grab a visual representation that I drew up of the Sedona area so we can see what we're looking at here. Give me 1 second, just 1 second.
From the top, okay, drop that, yeah.
Our first stop is conveniently located right off of Interstate 17 as you're driving to Sedona from Phoenix, and it's called Montezuma's Castle. Montezuma's Castle is one of the first national landmarks established under the Antiquities Act of 1906, signed by Teddy Roosevelt. Go learn about the Sinagawan people who inhabited this area almost 900 years ago. 900. Super cool, awesome history. The trail is 3/10 of a mile long and it's paved, which is great for people with mobility issues. If you like history, you like architecture, and you're looking to stroll around leisurely, this is a great spot for you. If you're an adrenaline, thrill-seeking junkie, don't do it. This isn't your cup of tea. After a quick visit to Montezuma's Castle, we're gonna drive a little bit further up Interstate 17, hop off exit 298 to our second stop, which is the Red Rock Scenic Byway. This is the best introduction you're gonna have to Red Rock country. This road is so beautiful, it's actually been designated with the coveted award of the All-American Road. You can do everything and anything from this road. Restaurants, hotels, golfing, trailheads, shopping. It is fantastic. Beautiful road. Third stop takes us a little bit further up the Red Rock Scenic Byway to Chapel Road, and off of Chapel Road is one of the most magnificent structures of Sedona. It is the Chapel of the Holy Cross. Bam! This is listed on the National Register of Historic Places, so to me it's a must-see. Chapel of the Holy Cross is the vision of Marguerite Staud. This vision came to life in 1956 when it opened, and in 2007 it was listed by Arizonans as one of the top 7 wonders of the state. Here's the thing. When you're coming off a trail and you've been hiking or mountain biking all day, this is a cool spot to go up to, relax, take a second. Meditate, pray. There is a parking lot below the chapel as well as next to the chapel, but good luck getting a spot. When you're limited on time, another great spot. Really cool. Moving on. Uptown Sedona is another quick must-hit spot. It is a really quaint little downtown area. Here you're gonna shop.
So cute.
Drink wine. Oh, that's so tasty. Every sip's as good as the previous sip.
Oh my gosh.
Eat good food. It's great. Get to Uptown, explore, enjoy all the tastes, flavors, sights, and colors, and sounds of Uptown Sedona. Hiking is a must-do in Sedona. There are some incredible, incredible trails in the Sedona area. West Fork Trail, Bell's Rock Trail, Cathedral Rock Trail, Devil's Bridge Trail, Slide Rock. There are just tons. Sure, you can mountain bike, hot air balloon ride, ATVs, the pink Jeep tours, which are extremely popular. But get those muscles, loosen those legs, get out on trail and explore on your own. We did videos on Cathedral Rock and Devil's Bridge Trailhead, so I'm gonna put those links down below in the description box so you can click on those, watch them, get a feel for what those trails are like, because you're gonna love them. They're beautiful. Keep in mind your time. Pick some shorter trails if you don't have a lot of time. The last spot is actually not in Sedona. It's about 40 minutes west of West Sedona, but it was a place that we loved. It's charming. It's beautiful. It's called Jerome, Arizona. You ready, Jen?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it. I can't wait to
get
just get on the road again. Jerome, Arizona sits on top of a cliffside overlooking the Verde Valley. It is an old historic copper mining town that now has a population of about 400. The thing that draws people to Jerome is the paranormal. The paranormal. The paranormal. The paranormal. So because of that, it is hugely popular to visit in October over Halloween. It is so famous for paranormal activity that the Travel Channel's Ghost Adventures came to the Jerome Grand Hotel.
I see dead people.
Anyway, guys, that does it for this episode. Thanks for watching. If you've been to Sedona or you've explored that area and you've done some really cool things, let us know down below in the comments section. We'd love to hear about it. And remember, keep finding ways to travel smarter.